adventures, exploring farm animals. Meet the animals. Cow, sheep, goose, horse, chicken. What do they eat? Cow, grass and hay. Sheep, grass and hay. Goose, grass and leaves. Horse, grass and grains. Chicken, grains and seeds. Interesting facts about these animals. Do you know? Cows can recognize over 100 different faces. Do you know chickens can dream just like humans? Do you know sheep have excellent memories and can remember faces of up to 50 other sheep? Do you know horses can sleep both lying down and standing up? Goose mates for life, forming strong and lasting bonds with their partners.